Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today on this video I'm going to do an unboxing of an Addiesdive watch. This is a pretty good watch for the price. I'll be showing you each and every details of this. And first and foremost, it's been a long time since I've made my last video. I was a little busy with some other work. Okay, hopefully I'm back, and we'll try to post at least one video in a week. Let's see. Okay, so let's get on with this video. So today only it got delivered. So I bought this watch from the Indian warehouse of Addiesdive. So for this watch I didn't pay any extra custom duty or anything, because this was ordered from the Addiesdive Indian warehouse. Okay, so if you go to the Addiesdive website, and there will be a local warehouse option, so just select the Indian warehouse from that list, and you will see a list of watches, almost like 20 to 25 watches are there. Okay, and you can purchase from there without any custom duty. Okay, so this is the box which we get. I ordered this like 3-4 days ago, and today only it got delivered via Blue Dart. Okay, so this is the box. Addiesdive written at the top here with the Addiesdive logo. It's a cardboard box. So once I open this box, get this Addiesdive case. So I'll just put this case right here. Okay, it's a good packaging case. Let's just unlock this. Okay, all right guys, so here is the watch. I'll show you in details and just put it right here for the time being. Here is that Addiesdive card, and I think this is some booklet of the user manual on how to use the watch. Anyways, nothing else in the box. So we put the box right here, and this is the watch, guys. This is the Addiesdive AD2079. Let me just remove the watch from this plastic pouch. I'll show you the watch. I'll just put this plastic for the time being here. Okay, let me show you the watch. It comes with this pre-installed NATO strap. So here is the watch, guys. It's the Addiesdive 2079. It's a quartz watch, but if you see the second hand, it moves like a mechanical watch or a automatic watch. That's because this uses a Seiko VH31 movement, which is a mecha quartz movement. So the second hand is moving like that because there is a mechanical module inside, which is getting the power from the battery, and that's why the second hand is a very smooth sweeping second hand. Let me discuss about the dimension for this. The dimension for this watch, it's a 36 mm case diameter excluding the crown, and lug to lug is 46. Lug width, it's a 19 mm lug width. That's pretty odd. I wish it was at 18 or 20. Finding a 19 mm strap will be little difficult. The case over here, it's a stainless steel 316L grade case. It's a brushed finish case, looks premium, and the case height is 12 mm. The crystal over here, it's a mineral crystal. It's a carved mineral crystal with a anti-reflection coating. As you can see, there is this blue coating on top, if you see from an angle. Okay, now let's talk about the dial, guys. Over here we have a full Arabic dial from 1 to 12. At starting from the 12, we have that pilot winter style pilot watch triangle logo, and from 1 to 11 it's a full Arabic, and that's a printed loom on the Arabic markers. There's a printed loom on it. That's a blue color loom, which is the BGW9. Okay, I'll be showing you the loom shot. It's not green loom, it's blue. That's BGW9. Even the hands, hour and minute hands, are also the same BGW9. Okay, and the minute markers, the chapter ring. On the chapter ring, it's like a railway track style design, and every 5 minutes there is a loom dots. Okay, over here, like every 5 minutes. The second hand is like a arrowhead pointed second hand, and with a lollipop like logo at the back. At the front here we have a arrowhead, and I really like how the arrow is touching at the very end of the dial. Looks really good. And on the minute, if you look at the minute hand, the minute hand just touches the hour markers. Looks really good. At 12 o'clock here we have the Addiesdive logo in white, and at 6 o'clock here it says 100 meter water resistance, which is 330 fits. It has got a signed crown, Addiesdive logo, and on a budget watch like this, Addiesdive giving it a like a screw down crown. Can you believe that? It's a screw down crown, guys. And the water resistance here is 100 meter. Okay, so once I pull the crown, the second hand hacks. Let me just fix the time to 10:10. And in order to, so we'll just press this and we'll screw it down again. Let's see the included strap. It's a nylon strap, so 2 buckle over here. Pretty good rigid strap. Okay, very nice. The build quality is pretty good on this strap. Double pass. So just remove this and we'll show you the case back. So here is the case back. It has got a Addiesdive logo, and there's a plastic film on top of it. As I said, the lug width is 19 mm. This watch will look great if you have a 19 mm leather strap, like a black leather or a black suede leather, something like that. It should look great. Okay. And the price of this watch is, like, on the website it was showing like 5,170 rupees, and if you use a discount code India in small, INDIA in small letters, you will get a 5% discount. So I used that code and got this watch for 4,900 rupees only. Anyways, that's it for this video, guys. This is a very quick unboxing video for my new Addiesdive AD2079. I bought it from the Indian warehouse of the Addiesdive official website. If you want, you can get it from there. If it's available, you need to check. Okay, regarding the price, as I already mentioned, it costed me 4,900 rupees, including the, like, I used a coupon with small letter INDIA India. You'll get a 5% instant discount. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Do take care. Bye bye.